With surprises lurking around every corner, it helps to have a witness with a sharp eye. Introducing the newly designed BlackVue DR970X Plus Series dashcams. Experience unparalleled image quality, even in low light and high contrast environments. With a larger aperture and increased shutter speed, our advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and fine-tuned image signal processing, you'll have detailed evidence at your fingertips for the moments that matter. And with BlackVue Cloud, you can access your footage anytime, anywhere, and receive push notifications. Stay connected at all times with the optional LTE connectivity module or a third-party Wi-Fi hotspot to get the most out of your BlackVue dashcam. BlackVue DR970X Plus Series, redefining dashcam fidelity. Available in single and dual channel versions with interior or rear-facing cameras. Now available with our buy now, pay later option. Financing options available. Go to BlackVue.com for more information.